Good afternoon, students. Let's continue with present continuous tense. As I have given already the format in which the present continuous forms of the sentences are written. Just imagine the situation in which you are doing at the time of speaking. एक ऐसी परिस्थिति इमेजिन करो कि अभी आप कर रहे हो. यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर, आई एम टीचिंग यू, स्टूडेंट्स आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड. अभी बोलते समय अगर कुछ एक्शन हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम स्पीकिंग, मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ. फाइन. So remember this thing. I carries am. These are all forms of the verb be. I carries am. He, she, it. They all carry is. And plurals. They, we, or students like other plural subjects. They all carry are with it. Okay? So remember this thing. These are all forms of the verb be. So I carries. Am सिर्फ I के साथ यूज होता है. You, we, they, you be. You, they, we, all other plural subjects, they carry are with it. Okay? And he, she, it means singular nouns. किसी का नाम भी हो सकता है. Like Rohit, singular noun है. Rohit is writing a letter. Okay? So this way you have learnt yesterday and today as well that present continuous tense has a different format than present simple. Okay? Present continuous shows the continuity of an action. Present continuous बताता है कि अभी कोई एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में है at the time of speaking. Okay? Like I am speaking, he is speaking, they are speaking. These are the simplest examples. I am writing, they are writing, you are writing, we are writing, she is writing, Rohit is writing, Sunita is writing. Okay? So I hope you have a clear concept of present continuous tense. First rule is means when do we use present continuous? Come to page number 90 of your book. Uses. First use is for the actions that is for the action that is in progress at the time of speaking. अभी बोलते समय, बात करते समय कोई एक्शन प्रोसेस में है. At the time of progress, at the time of speaking. अभी कोई एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में है. Like I am eating cake. Okay? She is playing hockey. She is playing hockey. हमें क्या करना? Is, am, are इनके साथ ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करनी है. Is, am, are they carry ing form of the verb. वर्ब के साथ क्या लगाना है हमें? ing. Okay? Eating, speaking, cooking, playing, dancing, singing. She is singing. They are singing. I am singing. These are all the sentences of present continuous tense. Now in another example. और कब यूज होता है इसका? सेकेंड यूज. for the actions which are thought to be for a shorter duration. अभी जैसे थोड़े समय के लिए कोई होने वाला है कोई एक्शन, we use this present continuous tense. मैं ये पूछूँ आपसे, what are you doing now? अभी क्या कर रहे हो? So this is an example. I am reading a novel these days. Okay? I am reading a novel these days. अभी हो सकता है अभी बात करते समय नहीं पढ़ रहा होगा, बट इन दिनों थोड़े दिनों के लिए. ओके? So I am reading a novel these days. What is your son doing now? तुम्हारा बेटा अभी क्या कर रहा है? मतलब हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि अभी इस समय क्या कर रहा है. मीन्स what is he doing? What is his profession? What is it, whether he is studying or doing a job? When we ask such questions, we ask in present continuous. What are you doing these days? तुम इन दिनों क्या कर रहे हो? Such questions are asked. So, my father is staying in Delhi these days. मेरे father इन दिनों अभी दिल्ली में है. So, when we want to show the action, it is not necessary that it is going on at the time of speaking. जरूरी नहीं कि अभी बात करते समय हो रहा हो, but it is going on for a shorter period of time. अभी कुछ समय के लिए वो एक्शन हो रहा है. Okay? Now the third use is first, second and third. To show the action, to show certain future planned actions. Future planned actions. जो पहले हमने प्लान कर ली, उनके लिए हम कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. कैसे? I am going to meet my grandparents. Okay? I am going to meet my grandparents this summer. We are leaving for, हम जा रहे हैं, we are leaving for Coorg. Coorg is a hill station in Karnataka. Okay? We are leaving for Coorg tomorrow. So I hope you have got it, the use of this. Okay? So come to exercise on page number 90. You have to write down the present tense form, present continuous forms of the verbs. Means the rules which are given on the page, let's learn. We have to utilize them, we have to practice them, we have to find out which is this kind of use. ऊपर 3 यूज दिए हुए हैं, तो प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज में हमें लिखना है कि कौन सा यूज है. माई सिस्टर इज वॉचिंग टीवी बट आई एम स्टडिंग. इट इज नंबर 1 बिकॉज फॉर एनी एक्शन दैट इज हैपनिंग एट द मोमेंट और स्टिल इट इज इनकम्प्लीट. सबसे बड़ी बात, लाइक आई एम स्पीकिंग, अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ पर अभी कंटिन्यूस है, प्रोग्रेस में है, पूरा नहीं हुआ है. इट इज स्टिल इनकम्प्लीट. So first A sentence is number 1. Note down. A sentence is number 1. A sentence में number 1 use. Okay. Then I am preparing for my एग्जाम्स दिस वीक। ये क्या कर रहा है, अभी प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है। इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग इज प्रिपेयरिंग, बट वो इस हफ्ते शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ ड्यूरेशन अभी वो प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है। सो वी विल राइट इन बी सेंटेंस दिस यूज इज सेकेंड, एंड इन सी सेंटेंस माई अंकल इज कमिंग टू डिनर टुनाइट। पहले ही प्लानिंग है तभी आ रहे हैं। So my uncle is coming tonight for dinner. This is the third use of the sentence. In this sentence, who are you writing to? ये क्या है, present simple first use है। First sentence क्या था, first use for any action that is happening at the moment and it is still incomplete. Who are you writing to? किसको letter लिख रहे हो? It is first use. So this way we will find out how is the sentence used. Okay. We are not going on a vacation this Saturday as grandma isn't well. So this sentence is number 3 क्योंकि ये भी प्लान हो गया, they are not going. Okay. So this is the use. You must have understood that how do we find out what kind of use it is. Come to exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. So note them down, all these rules, and both the exercise 1 and 2 in your notebook. Okay. Solve this notebook. Okay. In second exercise, correct forms of the verbs given in the tenses. I listen to the news. I am number 1 means it is A. I am listening to the, and in this sentence the train to Gulbarga is leaving from platform number 3 is leaving. Is the train is singular now, so it is leaving. Okay. Then in exercise number 3, third sentence, Sudha dance performance this evening is giving. Sudha is singular noun, so we will write is giving. Okay. We, the noun is plural, we are attending her performance. So we carries are. We के साथ क्या यूज होगा, are attending her performance. Then in each sentence she dance with her troupe. So it is singular noun, she is dancing. Okay. In F, I, the tense forms noun. तो learning I के साथ क्या यूज होगा, am. I am learning, the tense forms noun. And in G exercise, I begin to understand the present continuous tense. क्या यूज होगा, I के साथ am. I am is used with I only, so I am, and we have to make ing form of the verb begin. So in making beginning from begin, it becomes double ing. I am beginning to understand the present continuous tense. So I hope you have understood the use of the verbs, how they are made and how they are used in the sentences to show the continuity of an action. जब हमें ये बताना हो कि कोई एक्शन प्रोग्रेस में है